Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Jazz gearbox. First, ensure your vehicle is safely elevated on jack stands for access. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your battery to prevent electrical issues. Next, you'll need to drain both the engine oil and the transmission fluid completely. Finally, remove the front wheels and any splash guards that obstruct your access to the gearbox area. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and safe removal process. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the various components attached to the gearbox. You'll need to detach the shift cables and the clutch slave cylinder. Proceed to remove the starter motor and carefully disconnect all electrical connectors. Next, separate the drive shafts from the gearbox, ensuring they are properly supported. Finally, unbolt any remaining brackets or mounts that secure the transmission to the vehicle's chassis. With everything disconnected, it's time to support the engine and gearbox. Use an engine support brace or a jack to securely hold the engine in place. Position a transmission jack directly beneath the gearbox to bear its weight. Now, carefully unbolt the gearbox from the engine block, working systematically around the bell housing. Before attempting to lower it, double-check for any overlooked connections or bolts that might still be securing the unit. Once all bolts are removed, slowly and carefully lower the gearbox using the transmission jack, guiding it away from the engine. Take this opportunity to inspect the clutch assembly and flywheel for any signs of wear or damage. Before you even think about reinstallation, make sure to thoroughly clean all mating surfaces to ensure a proper seal. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. This meticulous approach will help ensure a successful repair and a long-lasting result.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.